Vineland NJ police conduct a traffic stop on a vehicle that appears to be unregistered. The driver, although very outgoing, soon becomes the focus of a DUI investigation.
Driving, but I didn't got no beer with me. This is not mine.
Okay.
I'm just saying, you know.
Mm.
Vineland NJ police receive a call about a vehicle driving erratically and pull this vehicle over.
No driver, bro.
Hey, changes over to a suspicious.
Give me a second.
Are you H&M?
Yeah, I'm land.
You got open containers in there. Suspended, you said?
What's up, boss? What's your name?
John Melendez.
John. All right, we got a call about your driving. Just
Call
wanna
about me?
Yeah.
You got a call.
Yeah, we just want to make sure you're all right.
I'm good.
All right, so it's all right if I go ahead and give you some tests to make sure you're okay.
Good, thank you, appreciate it.
Yeah, but let me see if I can find the insurance. That's why I'm searching.
Okay. Like, one of y'all go on the other side real quick, because he's all leaning in.
What the fuck Sid got his shirt? I know this is my sister.
After seeing several open containers in the vehicle, the stop quickly turns into a DUI investigation.
What are you looking for, John?
I'm looking for the registration and shit for the car.
Okay, well, you know where the insurance at, or you don't know where that's at either? Huh? You have no ID on you?
Nah, but you can search my name, sir.
Okay.
I'm sure I give you my name, my last name, for date of birth. That car is going to Puerto Rico.
Okay.
I'm trying to drop it off right here, like literally. It's not in some third, like literally third.
Copy that.
And he's
Did you get his information? You're good?
You want me to get outside?
Yeah, please, so I can do these tests real quick. Let me
Sir.
get you out of here. I'm gonna walk over here, all right?
You want to search me?
No, you're good
Nah,
right
you're
now.
right,
Let's
go
go
ahead.
over there. Go over there.
The operator, John Melendez, is going to be subjected to several roadside sobriety tests. Watch each test he is given very closely.
You want to put your hands in your pockets? I got to pat you down real quick, all right?
All right, Poppy, go ahead.
All right.
You straight.
All right, listen. You're going to put your hands down on your side, your feet together. Arms down on your side. Do me a favor, stand on the road. Okay, do you have any issues tracking my pen? Like following any issues with your eyes at all? Do you?
No.
None? Do you wear glasses?
I
Nothing?
wear glasses, but not on me.
Okay. You have no problem following the tip of my pen, utilizing your eyes and your eyes only? Okay, again, I'm going to tell you to put you in the starting position, arms down each side, feet.
Can I put it on the back?
Nah, I'd rather them down on your side. Alright? You're going to follow the tip of my pen and utilize your eyes and your eyes only. Good? You understand?
I'm looking at you.
Alright. Don't move your head, Pop.
All right. That's fine.
Don't move your head. Stay looking at my pen, John.
That's how I was looking, you feel me?
Yeah, stay right. You're doing great. Alright, you good? You good? You good?
Should start hurting.
Alright. You had nothing to drink today?
If I tell you I ain't had a beer, I'm lying. I did take a beer.
Okay. And reset that one, do it again.
43 Delta. We're at the courthouse. clear, have two calls at the hospital. One's found CDS pipe with security, another is a theft. Room 345, testimony.
Damn, you got me down, yo.
You're almost done, alright? I'm gonna go up, follow, alright? Alright. You have any injuries or conditions with your legs that affects your balance? No? Alright.
I did got my ankle. I didn't have surgery, but I broke my ankle.
When was that?
Not even a year.
Yeah, so you're good to walk though, right?
Yes, sir. You
Yeah.
want
No, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
I'd like to
this,
be out, yo, because I don't got shit.
Alright. Alright, do me a
What's the
favor.
freestyle I got put up for that?
Let's go on the sidewalk over here.
Why?
So it makes it easier. So this has got a little pitch to it. I want something flat. Alright? What you gonna do? You're gonna stand where I'm at right here. Stand where I'm at right here. Right along the side right here. Right here actually. You're gonna use this road edge as a guide. Okay? You don't have to be on the grass, just stand right here. Yeah. But I'm gonna tell you what to do. Alright, John? Stay on the sidewalk though. That's just gonna be your guide. You're gonna walk straight. I'm gonna put you in the starting position. Alright? I need you to put your left foot on the line. We're gonna do an imaginary line.
This?
Yep. And your right foot in front of your left with the heel touching your left toe. And keep your hands down at your side, just like this.
Just like I'm working in construction.
Hold on, don't start until I tell you to begin. Again. So left foot.
Left foot on the back and right in the front.
Put your left foot on the line and put your right foot in front of it with your heel touching your left toe. And keep your hands at your side. And do not start until I tell you to. Do you understand these instructions?
Yes, sir.
Alright, keep your arms down at your side. When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line, turn around, keeping 1 foot on the line, and return 9 heel-to-toe steps. Just like this.
You know that I told you I had a problem with my right ankle. So
Yeah, I'm taking that into consideration.
It's not nothing.
Well, that happened a year ago, right? That you broke that?
Yeah, but I still be having an issue with my ankle.
Alright, well follow the instructions and we'll go from there, alright?
I like to be clear.
Alright, so I'm going to repeat this. When I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel-to-toe steps on the line, turn around, keeping 1 foot on the line, and return 9 heel-to-toe steps, just like this.
So the same way I walked over there, walk back?
Yeah, I'm going to show you. Alright, you're going to go 1, 2, 3. I did 3, you're going to do 9. And on your 9th step, hold on, don't start until I tell you to begin, John. And then you're going to take a series of small steps, you're going to turn around, and this first one's going to be 1. Okay? And on the 9th step, keep the front foot on the line and turn by taking a series of several small steps with the other foot. While walking, watch your feet at all times, keep your arms at your side, count steps out loud, and once you begin, do not stop until the test is completed. Do you understand the instructions? Yes, you may begin.
Is it 10? Try to turn around. Oh, fuck.
Alright, we're going to do the one leg stand. Alright, I'm going to put you in the starting positions. Your feet together, arms down at your side. Alright, do you have an issue putting weight on either leg? I know your right leg's broke, your ankle, right? So you can lift your right foot. Okay, you can put your weight on your left leg. You good with that? Alright. So you're going to stand with your heels together and your arms down at your side. In the starting position. Heels together, arms down at your side. Perfect. Do not start this test until I tell you to. Do you understand the instructions?
Sir.
Alright, when I tell you to, I want you to raise one leg, either leg, approximately 6 inches off the ground, foot parallel to the ground, and keep both legs straight and keep your eyes on the elevated foot. While holding that position, you're going to count out loud.
You don't understand what he's saying?
You want me to say it slower? I'll say it slower for you. Anytime you want me to repeat it, I'll repeat it. Alright, look, again, when I tell you to, I want you to raise one leg,
6 inches from the ground.
either leg approximately 6 inches off the ground, foot parallel to the ground,
Yeah.
and keep both legs straight and keep your eyes on the elevated foot.
So
I'm going to show you how to do it.
eyes from the one is lift from the ground.
Yes, exactly.
All right.
While holding that position, you're going to count out loud 1 1001, 1 1002, 1 1003, and so forth until I tell you to stop. Again, just like this. I'm going to lift my right leg. Arms on the side, you're going to lift it. 1 1001, 1 1002, 1 1003, 1 1004, and so on until I tell you to stop. You understand?
Can I count in Spanish?
Yeah.
101, all right. I got you.
All right? Again, I'm going to ask you, do you understand the instructions?
Yeah, I got you.
Any questions?
No.
You good? All right,
Right
you may
now.
begin this test.
Right now?
Yeah.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 1030, 1031, 1032, 1033, 1034, 1035, 1037, 1036, 1037, 1038, 1039, 1040, 1041, 1042, 1043.
You can stop, John. You're good. You put your leg down. All right, do me a favor, Pop. You gonna turn around? You gonna put your arms behind your back.
Why?
You're under arrest for driving impaired.
Can my uncle take my car?
I'm gonna tell him to take
Yeah,
the station away from you, okay? As for your car, if he wants to park it there and then take yours where it needs to be, as long as it's registered. Is it registered?
Yes.
Huh?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
He's not the registered owner.
Never mind. Forget that. Your car's gonna go to the tow.
But
You're
why?
Okay?
It's I can call my sister right now.
No, that's fine. Listen, I'm gonna go tell your uncle to meet you at the station.
Why I'm getting arrested?
Cause
Again?
you're drinking and driving, bro.
I'm telling you, I only took a beer.
The HGN you failed. The one leg stand you did all right.
I'm
Obviously.
telling you, I got issues. I don't got shit to like.
Can't drink and drive, bro. That's what happened here. All right.
My people was worse than me, yo. I only took a beer. That's all. I ain't gonna lie.
That's why somebody called too. They called.
It would appear that John passed the 3 tests administered, and yet is still arrested for suspicion of DUI. What do you, the viewers, think?
Oh.
Yeah, they called about you driving. That's why we're here. You can't drink and
Yo,
drive.
I'm sorry. That's a lie. Cause I just got to Vineland right now.
No, listen. We didn't randomly find you.
We got called.
We got
We
called.
called 911 about your driving. That's why we stopped you.
Motherfucker. Fine, yo. It's alright.
I'm just go ahead and search you real quick. All right.
Go ahead, sir.
Spread
I
your
got to
legs.
piss. I ain't gonna lie to you.
All right. Yeah, I appreciate it. I appreciate you not lying to me. Just give me 1 second.
Can we get a tow?
Yeah.
And tell him that I noted in the call.
I get somebody to get it. Can I get my mom to come pick it up?
Unfortunately,
Listen, yeah, we need the registered owner.
Under the influence, it has to
But
be
I can get the owner.
Yeah, but they got to be on scene. They ain't here, Pop. I'm just doing it all. It's called John's Law. And
my people, listen. And where I'm going is right down the street. At least let me drop. Can y'all follow me? Drop it up right there, please.
it's John's Law because what happens is, God forbid, you jump back in the wheel.
I got. Nah, sir. I ain't gonna do that. I got
Yeah,
kids. I got
no.
$20 right there. I got kids. Can you put it right there? I don't want to lose my money.
No, I'm gonna put it right back in.
How you call it?
Not that I don't believe you, John,
I got
but
kids. You feel me? I like to do this straight.
all right, you don't have a cell phone?
No, man. I'm telling you. I just trying to.
You know numbers that you need to call?
Who you want me to call? I call
No, because
somebody.
you need somebody to pick you up.
They can pick you up, right?
That's what I'm saying. My uncle.
Yeah,
He got a license? Oh,
They'll
okay.
pick you up at the
All right,
station.
we're good then.
That's it.
Well, in the car.
The car has to get towed, unfortunately. Anytime you get
So
arrested,
they're not gonna have to pay for it. Take it out.
unfortunately, that's the way the law is.
Sir, look. You see that 2 ladies over there down the street? This is where I'm going. This is where we dropping that red card off, and he's driving right back. I'm not driving at all. I just trying to drive so he can drop that off, and he's driving back. I was just driving on the way out here. I'm not driving nowhere else, sir.
Look, John, there's John's Law. If we don't take this car, and let's say you get released, and you jump back in this
sir,
car.
listen, the car don't even gotta move. I'll
But John,
walk.
it's not even that. You understand what I'm saying? And then you jump back in this car and you drive, it's on us. That's why it's getting towed. We need the registered owner here sober. Right now I need you to sit in this
You want me
car.
to call her?
We'll go to the station, we'll let her know. I gotta run that tag. I don't even know who it comes back to.
That's my sister.
What's your name?
My name?
Her name.
Abielis Mercado. You want to search that tag right
I'm
now,
gonna run
sir?
the tag. I'm gonna run it, but I need you to sit in this car.
Can I talk to my uncle? He's not from here, sir. That's the issue. My uncle's not from here.
She already talked to
Just
him.
drive straight. He'll see the police department on his
He's
left.
gonna meet you there.
Yeah, he can follow us.
Yeah, that's the issue.
Yeah, he'll be fine. He'll find the ride.
Is this open?
Oh my God, y'all.
On the man zone.
On demand towing. That's my name. All right.
Tango 4 cop. Yo, Laco, if y'all want, just yeah, I take them. If you want, do a sup.
Okay.
I do the 10. Do en route to station for me.
Okay.
And the stop.
Okay. Sounds
All
good.
right? And I do.
He's got a tail light
On scene.
too. You want me? Which
Okay.
I observed. He's got the tail light.
If you want to
Yeah,
do that.
yeah.
It's 911. So yeah,
Yeah,
but yeah, just
yeah.
throw that in there.
All
Just
right.
help.
Because I observed it. So.
Yeah, you can write that summons and I'll do the rest.
Okay.
Yeah.
And he's suspended. You want to do that, or you want me? Because he told me he was suspended.
You can write those
I'll
tickets.
write those
Just
tickets,
yeah, just
yeah.
give me the info on it,
Yep.
and I do the box.
John Melendez was charged with DUI, operating with a suspended license and registration, and received over $500 in traffic violations. He was released from jail later the same day without having to post any bond.